guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have an Urbanic haul for you all. So it's a try-on haul. Anyways, it has to be my first Urbanic haul and I'm really excited about it. This is the first time that I've ordered, so I'll let you know about my experience, how I like the quality and everything around it. So yes, if you're interested, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first of all, I want to let you all know that I don't have any tops. ऊपर का कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे पास. I only ordered jeans and one trousers, and then I also ordered some accessories. So I'll show you all. Number one, I got these pair of pants. Now, I really wanted a good pair of brown jeans. सबसे पहली बात है, Urbanic की jeans की length is perfect. So it's a thumbs up. Now this is what I got, and I'll also flash the prices on the screen because I don't actually remember. Saw it on Urbanic, I was like, let me try this as well. So this is what it looks like. The length is just perfect. You all can see how long this is. यहाँ पे पॉकेट्स हैं तो ये बिल्कुल कार्गो फिट देता है और द मटेरियल इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड. इट्स सॉफ्ट डेनिम, सो इट फिट्स ब्यूटिफुली एंड या आई लव द मटेरियल, आई लव द क्वालिटी. It's a huge pass. Moving on to the next pair of jeans, I have this one right here. I love the shade. Also, my order came in under 10 days, so I think that's pretty good because sometimes I've heard कि it takes months. So मेरे में तो 10 दिन के अंदर अंदर आ गया था. So I like the services. The returns were smooth as well, so I liked the experience. Anyways, moving on, I got this pair of jeans. This is what it looks like. It's ripped from here, बिल्कुल एकदम नी के ऊपर से रिप्ड है और कहीं से भी रिप्ड नहीं है, बस थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पर है. दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. इट्स अ फ्लेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ जीन्स एंड या आई लव्ड द फिट. इससे मैंने ना साइज लार्ज मंगवाया था, वो थोड़ा सा मेरे वेस्ट पे लूज था. So I reordered and got it in the size M. It fits beautifully. I freaking love it. Most of my jeans, like whatever I've ordered from Urbanic, are my favorite right now. Like seriously, I love the length, love the quality, and they have a lot of variety to choose from. So that's the best thing ever. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You all can see it's really good. The seams are beautiful as well. Generally I see these seams and make out कि भाई कैसा तरीके का कपड़ा है, like if it's well made or not, and it is. Like the quality is beautiful, so I would ask you all to order this. They were pretty affordable as well. Like this was for 1412 I guess, and the brown one was 1190 something. So pretty inexpensive. I love it. Alright, moving on to the next pair, which I've used like no one's business. Like literally, you all must have seen this already on my Instagram like a million times. This is what I'm talking about. So this is the next pair of jeans. पहली वाली was a bit like lighter shade of blue, and ये वाली ऐसा थोड़ा सा dark shade है. Like ये भी again यहाँ से knees पर से ripped है और ये थोड़ी सी कम फ्लेयर्ड है अगर हम उससे कंपेयर करें. ऑलराइट, मूविंग ऑन टू द लास्ट पेयर ऑफ बॉटम्स दैट आई गॉट, और इसमें मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है. आई हैव दीज वंस राइट हियर. अगेन दीज यू मस्ट हैव सीन ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. नाउ इसका कपड़ा बहुत पतला है, ठीक है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ सी थ्रू एज वेल. सो आई वेयर माई साइकिलिंग शॉर्ट्स, बहुत जो न्यूड शेड के हैं, इसके नीचे आई वेयर दोज एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. बट या आई वुड हैव प्रेफर्ड समथिंग एल्स इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस इलास्टिक बिकॉज इससे ना थोड़ा पजामा वाला फील्स आ जाता है. बट द प्रिंट इज जस्ट अमेजिंग, लाइक एंड द फैब्रिक इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड. फैब्रिक इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेचेबल एंड इट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी में तो पहना नहीं जाएगा ये, but yeah, looking at the fact that it's so experimental and so out there, I think it's just beautiful. It's also flared. इसकी length is normal, जो मेरे शूज़ के ऊपर तक आ जाए. वो सारी ऐसी हैं कि लाइक शूज़ को थोड़ा सा कवर करेंगी, तो that is the length I prefer generally. तो इसकी लेंथ से मुझे थोड़ी सी दिक्कत है, एंड दिस इलास्टिक पार्ट बिकॉज वो आगे थोड़ा सा इकट्ठा हो जाता है, so I don't really like that. Anyways, the print is just beautiful. Looks beautiful when it looks beautiful when I wear this with a crop top and shoes, very chunky shoes. So yeah, love this as well. But अगर compare करें तो I like the jeans more. This one was for rupees 700 something, so it's fine. Also, if your height is something around 5'4" or 5'5", ये आपको perfectly fit होगा. तो इसके साथ वाइट टॉप पहनकर लाइक इट कुड बी अ ग्रेट बर्थडे आउटफिट. Anyways, I'm only left with some accessories, but before that I wanted to let you all know that I've been using a new product for a while now. I've been trying this out and it has been working great for me. Right, so this is what I'm talking about. It's a face oil from the wellness shop. It's their Moroccan Argan face oil. This is what the packaging looks like. They also have this foam thing inside जिससे कि आपका जो भी बॉटल है वो गिरे ना आते समय या फिर कुछ भी उसको डैमेज ना हो. So I really appreciate that. Having said that, let me also show you the bottle. This is what this beauty looks like. Now you need just a little amount. You all can see like मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा यूज़ किया हुआ है यहाँ पर. I don't know if you all can see. बहुत थोड़ा सा ये अमाउंट लगता है and it's so hydrating. I freaking love it. Also the packaging is so beautiful. It's a drop packaging, so it's very convenient as well. It's a 15 ml bottle. Okay, so even though it's summers, my skin was feeling a little dry. Like इधर और इधर मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा dry patches हो गए थे. I wanted a face oil but a very lightweight one because summers हैं तो मैं ज़्यादा heavy face oils नहीं use कर सकती. That would have backfired me only. Anyway, so I got my hands on this, the Wellness Shop's Mystic Moroccan face oil. This is what it looks like. I've already shown you. And you guys, it's so lightweight. I love the texture. It's so water-like. It has argan oil, which is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which is an essential ingredient for your healthy skin. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. I use this in morning. Like after I'm done with my moisturizer, I put face oil and then wait for a while and put sunscreen over it. And at night I use my moisturizer, put my face oil and go to sleep. Like I let my skin breathe a little and then I do my nighttime skincare routine and I'm off to sleep. It repairs my skin beautifully. Let me also show you the texture. You all can see how water-like and how lightweight this oil is. They have no added fragrances, which is something really good. So I've been using this particular oil for 10 days now. Regularly I've been using it and I've seen a major difference in my skin. My skin feels very moisturized and very healthy, like you all can see. Now when it comes to the brand, the Wellness Shop, it's a cruelty-free, chemical-free brand. All their products are made with high-quality ingredients. Alright, now that I'm done talking about the oil, let's move on to the accessories. First up, I ordered this phone cover. This is what it looks like. Let me just show you. Oh, this is what the first cover looks like. It's plastic की मतलब जो सिलिकॉन होता है वो है और उसके ऊपर ये प्रिंट है. I don't know अगर ये प्रिंट निकलेगा या नहीं क्योंकि मैंने ये वाला यूज़ नहीं किया है. But yeah, it looks pretty beautiful. It was for rupees 190 and I think the quality is nice, so that's worth it. And next up I ordered this one right here. Now this has to be my favorite. You all can see how beautiful this is. This is not like printed उस तरीके से, ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. दिस वॉज फॉर 290, सो ऑब्वियसली आई कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन क्वालिटी एंड आई वुड हाईली recommend you all to check this one out. I will link all of these things below in my description box. Please don't forget to check them out. Alright, moving on to the last thing. I ordered this claw clip, so you all can see this one right here. Oh my god, I shouldn't have used this one. I will have to explain you all ऐसे हाथ में अपने बाल पकड़ के. Anyways, so this is what the claw clip looks like. I wouldn't say कि quality बहुत अच्छी है या फिर बहुत बेकार है. It's somewhere in the middle. It's okay only. It was for rupees 69, which I feel is overpriced because हम normal अपने market में अगर जाएंगे तो maybe 40-50 rupees में हमें मिल जाएगा. Having said that, उसकी packaging अच्छी थी, but that doesn't count. So yeah. This is what this looks like. It's pretty good though. मतलब अच्छा है, ये टिक गया. मैं बहुत दिनों से इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ and it's in place. So yeah, it also gets a thumbs up, I guess. So yeah, that is all that I ordered from Urbanic and I'm glad that I did because I love everything and I don't think I'm going back to any other application or any other brand when it comes to my jeans. Having said that, मुझे इसमें थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हुई कि इन्होंने यहाँ पे इलास्टिक दे रखी है, but that too is my fault because मैंने application पे सही से देखा नहीं था. So yeah, but the print is beautiful, so I think it's fine. I would highly recommend you all to check all of these products. I will link them down below in my description box. Don't forget to use my code as well. Also, don't forget to check out this Moroccan Argan oil from the Wellness Shop. It's beautiful. Winters are around the corner. not so around, but yeah. Winters are around the corner and you will need a good face oil. This is something I would say that your skin needs. So yes, don't forget to check this one out as well. It will be linked down in my description box, and I'll meet you guys in my next video very soon. Until then, goodbye.